Welcome to my maths class. In this class, we'll solve sums from NCERT textbook, class 9, chapter 2, Introduction to Linear Polynomials, exercise set 2.6, question 1, part 1. So the question says, draw the graphs of the following sets of lines. In each case, reflect on the role of A and B. So first we have to draw the graphs of all these three lines, and we have to speak about the role of A and B. So first we'll start drawing the graph now. For the first one, the first equation, y is equal to 4x. So y equal to 4x. That's the first one. So now what we will do, we will put some value for x and calculate the corresponding value of y. So let x be equal to 0. Let x be equal to 0, then y will be equal to 4 into 0, that's equal to 0. So we will get the coordinates. When the x coordinate is 0, the y coordinate is also 0. Next, let x equal to 1, then y will be equal to 4 into 1, that's equal to 4. So here when the x coordinate is 1, the y coordinate is 4. One more value, let x be equal to minus 1, then y will be equal to 4 into minus 1, that's equal to minus 4. So when the x coordinate is minus 1, the y coordinate is minus 4. So these values, we can put them in the form of box. X is 0, y is 0, x is 1, y is 4, x is minus 1, y is minus 4. Next one, we'll go to the next one. Next equation is y equal to 2x. Let x equal to 0, then y will be equal to 2 into 0, that's equal to 0. So when the x coordinate is 0, y also is 0. Let x be equal to 1, then y is equal to 2 into 1, that's equal to 2. When the x coordinate is 1, the y coordinate is 2. Let x equal to minus 1, then y will be equal to 2 into minus 1, that's equal to minus 2. when the x coordinate is -1, the y coordinate is -2. So this also we can put in the form of a box here. X, y, 0, 0, 1, 2, -1, -2. Next, now we'll go to the third one. Y is equal to x. Y is equal to x. So let x equal to 0, then y will be equal to 0. So the both coordinates are 0, 0, x and y. Let x equal to 1, then y also will be equal to 1. So it is 1, 1. Let x be equal to -1, then y is also -1. So it is -1, -1. So in the box, x, y, 0, 0, 1, 1, -1, -1, -1. So now we should go for plotting. We will plot the three graphs. So while plotting, so this is the graph sheet. I am trying to plot the first one. The first one, you can see here, the values are like this: 0, 0, 1, 4, -1, -4. So 0, 0, x is 0, y is 0, then this point is this one. Next is x is 1, y is 4. X is 1 and y is 4. So this is that point. Third one is x is -1, y is -4. So -1, x axis -1, and the y axis -4. So this is the point. So we have to join this. So we will join this. This is the first graph. So we can write it as y is equal to 4x. Y equal to 4x is the first one. Then now we will take the second one. The values are 0, 0, 1, 2, -1, -2. 0, 0 is the same point. 1, 2. X axis 1, y axis 2. x-axis 1, y-axis 2. So this is that point. Then the third value is -1, 2. -1, 2. So this is that point. So we'll get the next graph. This is the second graph. So we can write y is equal to 2x. This is y equal to 2x. This was y equal to 4x. This y is equal to 2x. Second one. Now we'll see the third one. The third one is, values of the third one are 0, 0, 1, 1, -1, -1. 0, 0 is here, 1 and 1. That point is here. -1 and -1 is that point. So if we join them, we'll get the third graph. So while joining, join carefully. This is y equal to x. This is y equal to x. So now we have drawn the graphs of all the three. And they are asking, in each case, reflect on the role of A and B. You can see here, all the equations, all three equations are of the form y is equal to ax. Here the value of b is 0, ax plus 0. The value of b is 0. So when the value of b is 0, all the three lines pass through, cut the y-axis at 0, because the value of b shows the y-intercept. The value of b shows where the line cuts the y-axis. In this case, value of b is 0. When the value of b is 0, all the lines cut the y-axis at 0. Then you can see here, now we'll see the value of a. In the first case, the value of a was y is equal to 4x. In the second case, it was y is equal to 2x. In the third case, y is equal to x. You can see here, as the value of a here, as the value of a is increasing, the line is becoming more and more steeper. It's becoming more steeper. In the first case, the value of a was 1. The line was, this was the line. The value of a became 2, so the line became more steeper. Here the line of the value of b became still larger. The value of a became larger. It became still steeper. So as the value of a increases, line gets more steeper. You can see here. So I will write them here. All the equations are of the form y equal to ax. Here value of b is 0. So all the lines cut the y-axis at 0, because the value of b shows the y, the value of b shows where the line cuts the y-axis. It is 0, so all the lines cut the y-axis at 0. You can see here that the three equations were y equal to 4x, then y equal to 2x, it was y equal to x. Here, as the value of a goes on increasing, the line becomes steeper and steeper. As the value of a increases, the line becomes steeper. Line gets steeper. So the value of a shows the slope of the line. If the value of a increases, the line becomes more steeper. So here the first part of the first question has been solved here. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.